everyone, and welcome po again to another episode of Tupperware Brands Facebook Live. Ayan. So again, start of the year, and I know most of you po all want to make a healthy, good, great start for 2021. Pero mahirap siya gawin. At same problem ko po yan kasi normally, when we say healthy eating, it's either po mahal or boring. So Chef Ana, pa-help naman on about doing healthy po recipes pero hindi po boring at saka mahal.
Good morning, Paul, and good morning to all of our viewers. Well, totoo yan. If you want to change your, if you want to go healthy, you have to change your lifestyle. And one way is to eat healthy. And well, in the Philippines, yes, sometimes going healthy, you have to buy good choices, and sometimes mahal siya. But other ways, the medyo cheaper version of to eat healthy is to choose yung mga fish, to choose to eat fish rather than the red meats. But today, I'm going to share with you a flavorful dish, but of course, healthy and very affordable.
Pero Chef, matanong ko naman, since healthy siya, hindi ba mahal yung ingredients?
Well, Paul, madali lang yung recipe natin gawin. So, fish fillet with mango salsa. So, basically, ang kailangan mo lang is yung fish fillet, pwedeng dory or sole. Tapos meron kang kamatis, bawang, you need red onions, cilantro, lime, and then mango. So, these are all available in supermarket or your favorite palengke, and available siya all year season.
Wow, that's great to hear, Chef.
So let's start cooking, Paul. So first, I'm going to use the Universal Cookware na fry pan. And then, this is so easy kasi what I have here is 1.5 piece ng dory fillet. So lagyan lang siya ng salt and then squeeze this with some lime or lemon para mawala yung lansa.
Yes.
And then, lalagay lang natin siya. So this is very easy kasi para siya one pot, tapos magkakaroon siya ng bake effect, tapos para siya mag-steam. Actually, when I'm testing this recipe nga, Paul, medyo na-wow ako kasi, pwede pala. Imagine, I'm putting my ingredients, walang oil, tapos wala pa siyang heat, and then we'll just add our tomatoes and garlic. Yan,
so perfect, Chef, for beginners na nag-aaral din magluto. So, wala kailangan sundin na step. At saka, as you mentioned, 3-in-1 na pala yung Universal Cookware.
That's correct. Totoo yan. Di ba pag fish, usually pinirito, di ba? And maraming oil, ayaw natin yan. So, lalagyan natin yung fresh tomatoes. Spread nyo lang siya. Then, alam niyo kasi yung tomatoes, actually, mas healthy siya kapag naluluto daw. Parang mas nagre-release siya ng lycopene, which is good for the heart. Tama ba yun, Paul?
Oo, yan yung napapanood natin, di ba? On isang fried na tomatoes, tomato sauce, freshly picked tomatoes, a source of lycopene, which is good for the heart.
Then, we'll add some garlic. This one is also rich in antioxidant, tapos pampababa pa siya ng cholesterol. So, ayan, as you can see, nilagay ko na yung ating fish, tomatoes, and garlic sa pan. I'll put on the cover, and then, saka ko palang bubuksan yung heat. Ayan. So, maybe we'll cook this for about 5 minutes. Makikita niyo naman since see through yung ating cover, you can see
Lord.
Okay.
So, na-mention nga po ni Chef Ana that she's currently using po our Universal Cookware. So, there are certain points po you want to share about this very good new product from Tupperware. So, again, one, it has a glass cover so you can see nga po the progress while you cook po. So, nakikita niyo yung change in color and even nga po yung sa ingredients at yung status po ng inyong pagluluto. Also, it comes with a top handle po that is designed for that. So, I think this is something to people know with the grip. So, mas madali po siyang hawakan. Mas madali po siya immobilize. Third, it's actually compact po in size. So, this comes nga po in 9 inches or equivalent po siya for 24 centimeters. So, it can actually accommodate po a good size po of food portions na lulutuin nyo nga po for your family or for the different servings that you intend to make. Also, it's easy to store kasi nga po, it can nest on each other. So, pwede nyo po siya pagpatungin. And again, well, since we also have nga the 4-liter casserole, so pwede nyo po silang papatungin or i-nest together. So, that actually saves you space. And next, it also has the Tupperware logo in the handle, no, for the sleeve design and syempre, no, for branding purposes. And no, lastly nga po, and best of all, actually, kailangan importante nyo malaman, it comes in 3 plies or in 3 layers po, no. There's actually 1 layer of aluminum which is sandwiched po in 2 layers of stainless steel. So that's actually enabling the cookware to do even cooking or heating po within the surface. Ayan.
And so, Paul, as you can see, our fish, medyo malapit na siyang maluto. I'm not sure if nakikita mo dyan sa screen mo, but nagre-release ng water yung fish, yung tomatoes, and pag inangat ko siya, yan o, di ba? Ang galing, parang siyang nag-bake, nag-steam, greaseless all in one. So, yan, kita niyo yung tomato. So, in a few minutes, maluluto na to. But while it's cooking, ituturo ko naman yung mango salsa. So, what I have here is the speedy chopper. Meron tong fresh, ripe mangoes. Tapos, ilalagay ko lang yung cilantro. Tapos, saka isi-chop muna natin siya. And then, lagay tayo ng red onion. Actually, konti lang nilagay itong red onion kasi ayoko nang medyo masyadong matapang. Diba? Yung red onion kasi medyo matapang siya for mga salsa, mga salads. Kaya ang recommended ko usually is white. But since you wanted something sweet, something contrasting, red onion ilalagay natin. So I'll remove first our mangoes kasi medyo na-puree na siya. So leave it here. The cilantro is really nice also for contrasting flavor. It gives a refreshing flavor. So we'll just chop our red onion and then we're going to mix it all together.
Wow, chef, hindi ko naman alam na pwede palang gamitin talaga ang sweet or ripe mangoes as salsa. Kasi na diba, nakasanayan natin is either kamatis or yun nga usually diba yung manggang dilaw. That's a good idea pala, no? And syempre, no, bilang tayo in the Philippines, parang second largest exporter of mangoes in the world. And we actually have nga pala, no, we actually rank as one of the 10 sweetest mangoes in the world. Especially no, 1995 nga, napalitaan natin, no, we entered the Guinness Book of World Records featuring our Carabao mangoes from Zambales. And then later on, na-develop natin si Guimaras, may Guimaras species, as to be one of those sweetest mangoes. So, syempre, yung mga favorite natin ng mango variants, yung mga apple mangoes, yung mga pahutan, yung mga pico, ayan. So, there.
The one from Guimaras, actually, when I went there, talagang yung sa I'm not sure, pero yung display nila talagang nilalanggam. And kita mo talagang it's fresh and it's pulpy. Totoo yan.
So, proudly Filipino. And healthy chef, no? Kasi nga, meron na siyang natural sweetener. Hindi na kailangan dagdagan pa ng sugar. So, yeah.
Okay, so Paul, no? Yung fish natin is done. And then, medyo deep dry ko siya para mas madaling maglagay ng salsa. I'll turn off yung heat. Tapos, we will top our salsa. So, this one is a great alternative, no? Pagka nagda-diet or you want to reduce calories, tapos medyo na-boring ka na from your usual mga diet food. So, this is very nice. It gives the added depth, flavor to your usual fish fillet. We'll just put everything on top. Para with every bite, there's some sweet, there's some salty. Yan. Okay?
So, ang ganda talaga ng recipe natin, no? Chef Anna, for today kasi nga it's really something that's healthy pero di mahal. And as you mentioned, no, it's easy to prepare. Hindi tayo mabutasan ng bulsa for the ingredients. And yet, no, very healthy. At saka best of all, hindi siya boring kasi nga there's a different twist on the flavor.
That's correct, Paul. That's why I love our Universal Cookware. Endless yung mga possibilities na pwede mong lutuin, especially for a newbie or an experienced chef. So, here you go. This is our finished product. This is our fish fillet with mango salsa.
Yes. So definitely agree with your chef, no, now with the Universal Cookware, it's actually a great investment. Kasi nga po, no, for those mga young professionals building on their kitchenware or their kitchen collection, best nga po to begin po with the Universal Cookware. Also, for families, no, of like 3 or 4, or yung mga nagsisimula pa lang, yung bagong kasal, pets na din po na gamitin po natin ang Universal Cookware. Since again, na-mention kayo ng Chef Anna, it's like 3-in-1, no? It's waterless, it's like you're baking, and at the same time, para din po kayo nagsisteam. So, very healthy po yung mapupulis po natin na recipe or food out of this cookware. And
so, Paul, after the finished product, I'll show them yung plating niya. After palalamigin ko lang siya, and I'll just lift it from our cookware and show our final plating.
Yes, o yan, no. So once again po, no, thank you po for joining us in today's episode of Tupperware Brands Facebook Live. So thank you again, no, to Chef Anna for this wonderful recipe. So for the products po, no, that we featured po today, you can all find them po, no, by following us on our Facebook page, that's Tupperware Brands PH. Like us po on Instagram, or follow us on Instagram, that's Tupperware Brands PH. And we're also po on Twitter, that's Top Brands PH or TUPP Brands PH. So once again, this has been Paul po and Chef Anna saying po thank you and good morning, and we'll see you all in our next episode. Bye!
Bye, Paul!
Bye, Chef!